Hello everybody, today we're at Canal Walk Reservoir. This is a canal walk. This area is called Coed Gwilym Park. As you can see right now, we are heading to the canal. This area, the park is by the canal area and the canal is here. We have officially started the canal walk. As you can see, these waters are really clear because these waters aren't meant to be thrown in on. There are loads of fines if you throw any type of garbage, trash, or if you throw a single bit of wrapper from a chocolate, you get fined £150. Isn't that crazy? Well, that's to protect nature. And well, no, if you have any children, I'd highly advise you'd be a bit careful because there is no safety ledge on the end of the canal footpath. And if they're riding their bike or anything around down here, they might fall. There's a golf area here where the people play golf. And there are so much things to do in the golf area. I don't see much fishes here, as you can see, but I think there might be a bit of fishes as we go, because this is a bit of the earlier stage. This is where most people walk and come back. As you can see, people are playing golf here. They're moving, and this is a really nice place to play golf and things. And there's like a big open field. There's a really big open field here by the park. And the open field is really good for football, basketball, tennis, and basically every open field sport you can think of. As you can see, we are headed, this area is in a forest. Well, I'd say forest. There's so much trees here that you could compare it with the Amazon rainforest if you come inside here. And I still can't see any fishes yet, as you can see. But there might be fishes here. And as we go further and further, this place is getting a lot, well, elevated, I'd say. As you can see, we were just at ground level. Now we're moving up from ground level. And as we go, the vegetation becomes a bit, they're growing a lot. As you can see, the vegetation here. And because of that, the view of the canal is blocked a lot. And this time, there is lots, well, it's a lot dark than usual because it was drizzling a bit earlier ago. But now everything's dried up a lot quicker here than everywhere else. As you can see, people are playing golf here as well. As you can see, there are guardrails here, unlike the other areas, from here to here. As you can see here, this looks like a bridge. Well, that's because it is a bridge. This is what's underneath the bridge. Flowing water. There is so much water here. It's spectacular. Hello guys, I hope you enjoyed. Well, this is the end of the walk for me. I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.